In today's video, I will show you how to fix bad or blurry video quality on X. It is super frustrating when you are scrolling through your feed and a clip looks incredibly pixelated, but that is usually just the app's default data saving settings or its adaptive streaming system trying to prioritize fast loading times over actual picture resolution. X actually serves up hundreds of millions of video views every single day, so the app constantly balances bandwidth by automatically dropping the video resolution if it thinks your connection is dipping. To manually take control and force the absolute best picture, first open the X app on your device and make sure to log in. Once on the home page, find the video you want to watch. Tap the video to make it full screen, then tap the three dots in the top right corner. From there, select quality and manually choose the highest available resolution, like 720p or 1080p to instantly crisp up the image. Now, if you want a permanent fix so you do not have to keep doing this manually, you will want to adjust your data preferences. Turn off Data Saver by opening your sidebar menu and going to Settings and Privacy, then clicking on Accessibility, Display, and Languages, and tapping Data Usage. Ensure that Data Saver is completely turned off so it stops choking your video quality. Finally, you can enable high-quality streaming right from that same data usage menu by checking the high-quality video section. Make sure it is set to cellular and Wi-Fi so high-res streams are never restricted based on what kind of connection you are using. And that's it. That's how you fix bad or blurry video quality on X.